Let me also tell you something very funny that happened at the hub. I think during one of the times we were making the massive losses, the butcher slaughtered the pig and was trying to take just the tail of the pig. Wanted to take it home. Just the tail. I grabbed the butcher by his neck. But at that point, I was very serious. Even if you allow me, the how do you call it? The hair on the pig skin, I will sell because I was looking for ways to just monetize every part. So the butcher said once he's done with the slaughter and dressing, the truth and then the tail is usually given to the butcher. That's his share. But that very day, I didn't allow him. He packaged it in a poly bag. I took it back, kept it as part of the meat. I was surprised to see me very aggressive that very day. I said, yes, for this time round, I told you that I've been paying money that I should not have paid because we are making losses, and I don't also want us to be embarrassed. Maybe if somebody comes to tell us that we bought the animals and we couldn't pay. So I just want us to exhaust every component of this particular pig that we slaughtered, even if possible, sell the blood. Yeah, I was telling you, if possible, sell the blood, and let's see how much in reality we are able to get from this particular animal. So don't take anything home. So I think that was also the very day he realized I was very strict and I was very serious with him because I didn't just smile. Unlike as I'm making this video and I'm laughing and no, I was very straight. You could see it in my eye that I wasn't joking. So because of that, he was also very calm. He just complied and then went and sat down quietly, looked at me, and I packaged everything, took it to the freezer, and then we sold the whole of that particular pig. And the funny thing is that at the end of the day, we made a loss again. So, so it was like, so whose fault is it? I said, no, it's not about fault. I'm happy that everything is exhausted, just that we made a loss. Yeah, but you didn't take any part home. I didn't also gift anybody, just that we didn't price well. That one I understand it. So it's okay. Now let's increase our price. I will adjust the pricing. So henceforth, if someone comes, instead of selling the pound for this is how much you're supposed to collect for every pound, right? And if the person wants the offals, which is the internal organs and then the other things, this is how much you are supposed to sell per pound. And if it is the head, if the pig is 60 kg and above, this is how much you are supposed to price the head, excluding the neck. The neck is also a component on its own. So I just made sure I guided him, and then we increased our pricing. Funny enough, when we increase our pricing, the customer does not even notice that we increase the price because it was cut in such a way that you cannot even, you won't even know you are paying more for the same quantity. But we have to do that so that we can survive. So that was also another moment at the hub.